Greetings. This video is a short demonstration on enhancement of user interface of a website using the usability principles of human-computer interaction, in particular the Donald-Norman principles of HCI. We Anish Paudel, Pravesh Pokhriyal and Vivek Palansoke performed a series of tasks for 6 weeks so as to enhance the design of a website. On the first week, we searched throughout the internet and found one of the badly designed websites to be swasthramro.com within Nepal. Swasthramro.com is an e-commerce website for buying and selling of the products like used and brand new by the user themselves. Alongside the team, we performed survey and got response from more than 30 users. About 80% of the users were of age 20 to 30 and mostly students. More than 60% of them had used the website before, and about 45% of the users rated the navigation of the website to be 2 out of 5. Similarly, more than 20 of 30 users disagreed on the consistency, visibility, and the user-friendliness of the website. Most users found the lacking features of the website to be good UI, consistency, visibility, feedback, constraints, and the responsiveness in the website, along with the interaction. On the second week, we created documentation of the case by consulting with two of the other groups about the case and finding out the problems and analyzing them and redocumenting them further. On the third week, we created a paper prototype of the website and performed a survey. From the survey, we found out that the users rated the paper prototype 3 out of 5 and had a number of suggestions to make the prototype better. Following the survey responses, we designed a final paper prototype of the website, which the users agreed to be a good prototype. On the fourth week, based on the final paper prototype, we redesigned the UI of the research website, considering the normal designs of usability principles including visibility, consistency, mapping, feedback, and so on. The survey done after creating this design clearly showed that 80% of the users rated this design 5 out of 5 and most 90% of the users found that it followed the previously mentioned HCI principles. Over 95% of the users found out the use of fonts and formats to be consistent, and 90% of the users found the icons, buttons, and products clearly visible. Also, the use of HCI principles were found used by 75% of the users. As you can see, the UI comparison of previous website design and new website design is comparatively the excellent in the newer website design. Moving on to week 5, we used the expert reviews for addressing the user interface of the new design. We performed heuristic evaluation by consulting with other groups based on Norman 7 principles. Followed by that, we performed consistency inspection. In consistency inspection, users are simulated in carrying out their tasks. Frequent tasks are starting point, critical tasks, error recovery. Also, public walkthroughs are performed for better user interface. Similarly, we created a user persona and ethnography by developing users who use such website time to time and observe their perceptions. We observed that mostly 20 to 30 age groups and the students were the most users of this type of e-commerce app. Finally, in week 6, we evaluated our design using Norman's design principles of usability. There we found the website design has clear visibility of icons and buttons, consistent fonts and formats, proper feedback to users, easy affordance and constraints while trading the products, and so on. In this way, we successfully designed a proper website using the HCI principles and particularly the Norman's design principles of usability. And in this way, we created a good design of a bad design website. Thank you.